Okay, friends, we have our next estimation clipboard activity. I hope you're ready. Okay, today we're looking at dice in a glass. Okay, use the dice on the side and the tractor to help you see approximately how big things are. Okay, how many dice are being held in the cup? Okay, pause the video. There are 28 dice in the cup. Okay, let's go to the next one. There are less dice this time, so pause the video, take a guess. How many dice are in the cup? 17 dice in the cup. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, this one seems to be overflowing. Is it more than the first one? Is it more than the second one? How many dice are in the cup? Pause the video. There are 33 dice in this cup. Let's go to the last one. Okay, let's take a final guess. How many dice are you thinking in the cup? Pause the video to take your guess. And there are 22 dice in the cup. Great job. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so this time we have a vase. Still using a dice, and you can use the car and the dice on the side to kind of guess how big the vase is. Here we go. Take your guess. How many dice are in the cup? In the vase, excuse me. 43 dice in the vase. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, a little less than half, I think. Take a guess. There are 24 dice in the vase. Okay, let's look at the next one, an overflowing vase. How many dice are in the vase? Pause the video to take your guess. Okay. There are 52 dice in the vase this time. Let's look at the last one. Okay. Pause the video to take your guess. There are 36 dice in the vase. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, this seems to be a different type of vase. It's not as skinny in the middle. Let's take a guess. How many dice are held in this vase? Pause the video to take your guess. There are 53 dice in this vase. Okay. And the next one, okay, it looks like there's a little bit less. How many dice are in this vase? 31 dice in this vase. Okay, let's look at the next one. Pause the video to take your guess. There are 44 dice in this vase. Okay, the final picture with this vase. Okay, it's not quite full. Okay, pause the video to take your guess. 67 dice in this vase. Great, how are you doing? Okay, let's see what this last one is. Okay, this one seems to be a mason jar. Okay, use the car and the dice on the side to help you figure out approximately how big it is. You can see that it's on a clipboard, so that should give you some hints about how big the jar is. Okay, pause the video to take your guess. There are 45 dice in this jar. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, pause the video to take your guess. And there are 21 dice in the jar this time. And then we go to the next picture. It shows not quite full, but more than the first two, it looks like. So what's your guess going to be? Pause the video to take your guess. There are 58 dice in the jar. Okay, and let's look at the last one. Okay. Pause the video to take your guess. There are 31 dice in this jar. Okay, I hope you guys did a good job. I'm sure you are. I know that your estimating skills must be getting better. See you next week.